Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're diving into the shadows to uncover the secrets of one of the world's most misunderstood creatures, the bat. Now, when you think of bats, what comes to mind? Spooky caves, Halloween decorations, maybe even vampires? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because the real story of bats is way more fascinating and a lot less scary than you think. First off, let's clear the air. Bats are not flying mice. They're not birds either. If you look at a bat's wing, you're actually looking at a modified hand with incredibly long finger bones connected by a thin, flexible membrane of skin. This design makes them the only mammals capable of true, sustained flight. Imagine stretching your fingers out so far that skin grew between them, and you could flap your way through the night sky. Pretty amazing, right? There are over 1,400 species of bats around the globe, making up about 20% of all mammal species. That's a huge family. They live on every continent except Antarctica, in habitats ranging from dense rainforests to arid deserts and even our own cities. You've probably got some bat neighbors and don't even know it. So, what do these winged wonders do all night? The vast majority are nature's ultimate pest control. A single little brown bat, which is tiny, 1 hour. Now, multiply that by a whole colony of thousands of bats, night after night. Forget the bug zapper. What we really need are more bats. But not all bats are insect eaters. Let's talk about the fruit bats, or megabats. These guys are the gentle giants of the bat world, some with wingspans as wide as I am tall. They're often called flying foxes because of their cute, fox-like faces. Instead of chasing insects, they have a sweet tooth. They fly from tree to tree, feasting on fruit, nectar, and pollen. And in doing so, they play a crucial role as pollinators and seed dispersers. You know that tequila you might enjoy on a Friday night? Thank a bat for that. The long-nosed bat is the primary pollinator for the blue agave plant, which is what tequila is made from. No bats, no tequila. It's that simple. They're also responsible for pollinating over 500 other plant species, including bananas, mangoes, and avocados. They are literally planting forests while they eat, spreading seeds far and wide in their droppings. They're the planet's night shift gardeners. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the vampire bats? Yes, they are real, but they are not coming for you. There are only 3 species of vampire bat out of over 1,400, and they live exclusively in Central and South America. They are also very small and don't suck blood. They make a tiny incision with their sharp teeth and lap up a small amount, about a tablespoon. Their saliva contains an anticoagulant, a substance that prevents blood from clotting, which scientists have actually studied to develop medicine for human stroke patients. Even the scariest sounding bat is helping humanity. And their preferred meal? Usually sleeping cattle or other large mammals. Okay, let's talk about their superpower, echolocation. Since most bats are active at night, they produce high-frequency sound pulses from their mouths or nose, way too high for us to hear. These sound waves bounce off objects in their environment, a tree, a wall, a delicious moss, and the echo returns to the bat's large, sensitive ears. Their brain then processes these echoes into a detailed 3D map of their surroundings. It's so precise they can detect something as thin as a human hair. It's like having a built-in, biological sonar system. Absolutely incredible! Bats are also incredibly social creatures. They live in colonies that can range from a few individuals to millions. Bracken Cave in Texas is home to the largest known bat colony in the world, an estimated 20 million Mexican free-tailed bats. Every evening at sunset, they emerge from the cave in a swirling vortex to go hunting. It's one of nature's most spectacular sights, a living tornado of bats filling the sky. Within these colonies, they form complex social structures. They communicate with each other using a variety of squeaks, chirps, and clicks. They form friendships, groom each other, and even share food with colony members who were unsuccessful in their hunt. Mother bats are also incredibly caring, able to find their own single pup among thousands, sometimes millions, of others by its unique scent and call. Unfortunately, these amazing animals are facing serious threats. Habitat loss is the big one, as forests are cleared and caves are disturbed. Another devastating threat is a disease called white nose syndrome. It's a fungus that affects hibernating bats, waking them up during winter and causing them to burn through their fat reserves, leading to starvation. It has sadly wiped out millions of bats in North America. Light pollution also messes with their navigation and hunting, and wind turbines can be a hazard. So, what can we do to help our nocturnal friends? It's actually pretty simple. One of the best things is to spread knowledge. Now that you know how beneficial they are, you can tell your friends and family. Bust those myths. We can also make our own backyards more bat-friendly. Reducing outdoor lighting at night helps them navigate. It's like a birdhouse, but for bats, giving them a safe place to roost. It's a win-win. They get a safe home, and you get free, natural pest control. Bats have been flapping through the night sky for over 50 million years, long before we humans ever showed up. They are a vital, irreplaceable part of our planet's ecosystems. They're not monsters of the night. From pollinating our food to planting our forests and protecting us from pests, the secret life of bats is one of profound importance, complexity, and beauty. So, next time dusk falls and you see a dark shape flitting across the sky, don't be scared. Smile, and know that one of nature's most incredible and helpful animals is on the job. Thanks so much for hanging out and learning about these awesome creatures with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.